Our best performing blog has zero AI citations, almost 40,000 impressions in 28 days, an average position of 9 on Google. But when I asked the exact same question to ChatGPT, it did not mention our blog even once. I'm ContentPen's SEO manager and I found out that gap in our own data last week. This is AEO Unlocked, and in this series, I'm going to take pages from our own site, figure out why AI isn't citing them, and try to fix them. So, this top performing blog that I'm talking about is on Blog Examples, and I'm going to check its AI visibility and fix it with you. Stick around because this diagnosis today is going to determine what we do the rest of the month. So here's what I did. When I sorted Search Console by impressions, this page exactly came out on top. So I took the query this page is built around and I ran it through every major AI engine, one at a time, starting from ChatGPT. Real answers, real sources, but sadly, we are not one of them, as you can see over here. And then I went to Claude and specifically asked it for this exact same query. It gave the blog examples, and then I asked it for the sources for this data, and unfortunately, again, ContentPen or its blog isn't mentioned in it at all. And then here is the one that actually got most of my attention. A blog that is ranked on number 9 on Google is not being pulled in its Google AI overviews itself. As you can see, there are 6 sites mentioned over here, but ContentPen isn't one of them. And then I went to Perplexity, which is actually known for its research, and I asked the same query. Over here, blog examples are mentioned, and ContentPen is actually mentioned as a reference here. So it's not like we're totally invisible. It's not a total blackout, it's specific. But that's still just 5 manual searches, and I need real numbers to see where the gap actually is. And so here's where I went next. ContentPen's own AI visibility dashboard. So I'm going to sign in, then filter out my prompt. Over here you can see the visibility score is 14.3. The share of voice is 5.3. When we are cited, average position is 4. 4 choice, but not the first. The brand sentiment is actually neutral, which is a good news. No trust problem, so we're just not getting picked enough. But if I scroll down, over here, you will see that we are getting less than half of what leaders get as the source share. They are getting around 13 to 8% and we are only getting 5%. And then I decided to check the exact details of this exact prompt. So I opened it, and over here you can see Grok mentions us, Claude doesn't, as we check manually as well. Gemini also doesn't, Copilot doesn't, Google AI doesn't, ChatGPT doesn't. So we're obviously lacking in AI citations. Before I figure out what to fix, I need to answer one more question. Like, are AI crawlers actually reaching out at this page, or is it a complete black hole? So this is Ahrefs Bot Analytics, and I am going to filter out the AI bots over here. I'm going to go to the crawled pages and I'm going to check how much crawling has that page actually received. Over here, if you see, so we have around 400 crawls on this exact page. And this is the most useful problem to have. Why am I happy about it? Because this is something we can actually fix, the page itself. So here's everything I found laid out as a starting point. Around 39,682 impressions on Google, average position of 9, AI visibility score of 14.3%, share of voice of 5.3%, but against 8 to 13% for the leaders. Average position when cited was 4, 400 to 625 AI bot visits per month, cited by 2 of the 5 AI engines that we checked on, which were Perplexity and Grok, not cited by ChatGPT, Claude, or Google's AI overviews. So here's what happens next. Over the next several episodes, I'm going to go deep on this exact page, auditing every weak spot on it, figuring out why AI engines are actually moving past it, fixing the schema, tightening topical depth over just stuffing in keywords, and yes, most importantly, settling down this LLM.txt debate going on. Stay with me through all of this. If this works, you will see exactly how. But sadly, if something doesn't move the needle, I'll have to show that too. So wait for the next episode and pray that I do my job right. Fingers crossed.